So today's lesson is going to be all about massage and spa. Some people don't like the massage, or some people don't like the massage or whatnot. But if you don't like it, you can find something else to do. But I really highly suggest you trying it just for once. The price is cheap. It's super cheap there. You can get like an hour massage for maybe like, I don't know, $10 or whatever, or less. It's pretty cheap, unless you go to the resort spa, which is more expensive, and that's the price you gotta pay. You can't even get a massage in the moon under the moonlight. Come on, man, with a drink in your hand. You should try that, seriously. It's beautiful. All right, let's go. First one is, can I book a massage or a spa, please? ขอจองนวดสปาหน่อยครับ or ค่ะ Krap is for male, ka for female. Since I'm a guy, I'm going to use krap, but if you're a female, use ka. If you don't feel like you want to use krap or ka, you don't even have to say it. Just drop it. Okay, let's continue. ขอจองนวดสปาหน่อยครับ Let's make it simple. All of these phrases, I'm going to drop krap or ka, but it depends on you if you want to put at the end or not. Okay? So I'm just going to use the only sentence itself. All right? ขอจองนวดสปาหน่อย ขอจองนวดสปาหน่อย means can you book a massage and spa please. Then they're gonna ask you what kind of massage you want, and I would highly suggest you trying Thai massage. Some people like it, some people don't. It's strange sensation, okay, but you should try it just once in your life. If you totally hate it, at least you tried it and you move on with life, right? All right, I would like a traditional Thai massage, please. ฉันต้องการนวดแผนไทย ฉันต้องการนวดแผนไทย Next one is I would like to have an oil massage. ฉันต้องการนวดน้ำมัน ฉันต้องการนวดน้ำมัน means I would like to try the oil massage. You have to understand, in Thailand, oil and aromatherapy is totally different. They use a different ingredients in the oil, so aromatherapy will cost more. Oil will cost less. I don't know. That's how they do it over there. I guess it depends on the grade of your oil. Some people just use baby oil. I really do highly suggest you trying aromatherapy because it's higher grade oil and it's probably good for your skin. I think that's what they say. Do you have aromatherapy oil massage? มีบริการนวดอโรมาไหม มีบริการนวดอโรมาไหม Aromatherapy in Thai is aroma. Okay? มีบริการนวดอโรมาไหม Next, a facial spa. A full-on facial spa massage or whatever. Sometimes they have like an hour course or 2-hour course just doing your face. ขอสปาผิวหน้าหน่อย ขอสปาผิวหน้าหน่อย means can I have a facial spa please ขอสปาผิวหน้าหน่อย ผิวหน้า means your face, your skin, your whatever. And this one is kind of important because it might be a first timer. If you try a Thai massage, I can tell you right now, traditional Thai massage is rough. If you're a beginner, it can be painful. Seriously, I'm not lying to you. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to say, oh, you should try it and it's going to feel wonderful. No, it ain't. They use their foot, they use their elbow, they use their knees, and some people might even step and walk on you. But if you up for that adventure, you should try it. At least once. Yeah, so you're gonna have to tell them that, please, it's your first time. Please be gentle is karuna, means please. Karuna, นวดเบาๆ กรุณานวดเบาๆ means softly, soft. Thai people like to say words like twice เบา soft okay กรุณานวดเบา means please go gentle on me. Okay, I want to have a relaxing massage, soft massage, and you just want to just fall asleep, by the beach, under the moonlight. Thai music playing in the background or whatever, right? I would like to have a relaxing massage. ฉันอยากนวดผ่อนคลาย ฉันอยากนวดผ่อนคลาย ผ่อนคลาย means relaxing. นวด means massage or spa or whatever, right? So ฉันอยากนวดผ่อนคลาย means I would like to have a relaxing massage. Okay, so anyway, just tell them that they'll go gentle on you. Next one is can you give me a hand and foot massage, please? You just want to have your hands massage or your feet massage or whatever body part you want them to massage. Okay, just tell them, can you give me a foot and hand massage, please? ช่วยนวดเท้าและมือให้หน่อย 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 Okay, ช่วย means can you please นวดเท้าและมือ means massage foot, your feet and your hands. So if you want a different body parts, just say your head. ช่วยนวดหัวให้หน่อย Okay, your back. ช่วยนวดหลังให้หน่อย I create a YouTube shorts on all these words and vocabularies, and you can replace whatever, foots and hands to back or head or whatever, eyeballs, right? So yeah, you can just go to my YouTube shorts, look for those words and just practice it. And it can be your face, it can be your shoulder, lower back, your butt, I don't know. So just replace foot and hands to whatever words you want to use. Okay, next one is the most important one. Thank you at the end. Okay, ขอบคุณครับ or ขอบคุณค่ะ at the end. And don't forget to tip them. Those people, they don't make much money. It's a very small gesture to it's like appreciate what they have done for you. It's a nice thing to do in Thailand. Okay, just a little small tip is fine. 100 baht, 200 baht, or whatever you want to do. 100 baht is like $3. Come on, dude. You can give more if you want to, but yeah, just give them something. And if you have any questions, let me know. And if you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.